Alright, this is how to remove a O2 sensor from a 97 Integra LS. Should work for a 94 to maybe 98. This is a second O2 sensor. I don't see many videos, so hopefully it'll work for you guys. You gotta put these in the back tires so the car doesn't move. Got my stands already. On both sides. What I did is I jacked the car up from these hooks right here, and I put a stand on each side. Got this jack, it's a low pro from Harbor Freight, 69 bucks. I already took off the first O2 sensor, or the old one, should say. Let's go into the car. Alright, so pretty much, ahorita lo limpio. This was the first one I already replaced. You can go to Rock Auto, get OEM, almost everything for really cheap. Almost half the price of AutoZone. That's rockauto.com. Got my new O2 sensor right here. The back ones are really expensive and really hard to replace. So pretty much it's right here. A lot of people say that to get to the harness you gotta go through the interior and around where the stereo's at, and that's not true. You'll see a plug here that goes to the O2 sensor. The O2 sensor is right here, and you're gonna need a good wrench or a ratchet. Got this one right here. You guys can see one that can turn and make the job easier. And then you can get you need one of these right here. Get these at Harbor Freight. It was like $5. Works really good. It's a little loose, but it worked. So pretty much you're gonna have trouble with this heat shield right here. You can see it. I bent it because if you don't bend it, it gets in the way, and there's no way you can put this right here in there. So to make the job easier, instead of taking the heat shield off, just bend it, and then you'll have access to everything. Put the wrench in here, take it out, make sure to disconnect it, and then when you put your new one, make sure you put some anti-seize on it, because it's gonna be really hard to take it off next time if you don't put that. And that's pretty much it. Just like I said, bend this heat shield, unplug it from here. You'll see a plug like this one right here, goes in there. Just pull it out and the whole connection will come out. Disconnect it, unscrew the O2, and you're good to go. Put everything back how it was. Alright, thanks guys.